Firstly, we're gonna need some fucking coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the goddamn internet. I'm your host, I'm your boy, ilynafees Bougie. Basically, before we start this video, I'd like to give a quick shout out to my boy, Imran Carson. He came through with that $0.1 donation to feed the kids. Anyways, as you guessed by the title, today we're gonna be making some coffee. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some Nescafe Gold coffee, and basically that's it. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys to the fucking kitchen. I bet.
Firstly, we're gonna need some fucking coffee. Today we're using Nescafe Gold Velvet, and yeah, that's basically about it. The next thing we need is milk. Okay, cool. So basically, the first thing you want to do is get a nice glass. Get your spoon. We're gonna, for this video, I'm only gonna use like a little bit of coffee. We're gonna put like the coffee in there. Next thing, you wanna like unbottle the milk, and then carefully pour like the milk in. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use water or some shit, but I don't really know. You wanna get the spoon that you used earlier. Give it a nice stir, and there you go. That's amazing. That's beautiful.
Basically, that's kind of it. The end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. But before you guys go, I'm gonna do a $10 PayPal giveaway when I hit 100 subs. So tell your mom, your dad, your auntie, and everyone to sub to my channel. We're currently at 20 subscribers, so if we can hit like 30 soon, that would be much appreciated. And lastly, before I end off, if any of you guys want to play some Fortnite with me, I'm gonna drop my PSN link down below. We can run squads or some shit. So that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you, I guess, next week for the new one.